If initially the mind cannot rest calmly, you can place a statue of Shakyamuni Buddha in front of you and focus on the Buddha's heart center. If mental dullness occurs after a while, you can look upward at the ushnisha on the Buddha's head. Visualizing and meditating like this can easily tame the restless mind, and all discriminating thoughts will disappear. When I was studying at Sershul, one day my teacher Thupga Rinpoche said, "If we do not tame the mind's powers can be incredibly fierce and terrifying. But if we try to tame it, we will discover that it is but a tiger. Even if we only spend a mere 7 days to fervently pray to our teacher and sincerely tame our mind, the state of our mind will be vastly different from before." I trust my teacher's words without a shadow of a doubt. In fact, as long as we are willing to make the effort and rely on the sublime practice instructions, taming the mind is not so difficult. The only reason we have never been able to achieve this is that we have not applied ourselves to it.